Hi, my name is Rusty Messer. I'm a criminal defense attorney in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most common questions we get asked, which is, how do I drop the charges? The first thing you need to know is that if you have called the police and the police have come out and made a report and given that report to the district attorney's office, this is no longer your case. It will be up to the state to decide whether or not the charges are pursued. The state might consider your wishes, but the state is going to make its own decision about pursuing those charges. So this is a very common scenario that we see, where there's two people fighting, no one got hit, maybe somebody got mad and called the police because they wanted the other party out of the house, or maybe a neighbor called the police. And now the person who is listed as the victim in the charge wants to drop the charges. This is where a criminal defense attorney comes into play. A good criminal defense attorney can help you present what really happened to the prosecutor and to the court. So another common question that we get is, what happens if I don't go to trial? And a lot of people think if the person who is listed as the victim in the case doesn't go to trial, that the state can't go forward. But that is not necessarily true. The state may have other evidence that it can rely on. So there might be other witnesses. There might be photographs. There might be medical evidence. There might be a video recorded at the scene. The state can use all of these things. Also, the state can issue a subpoena for you to appear and testify. If you are subpoenaed to testify and you don't go to trial, the state can then request a warrant for your arrest. We never advise anyone to ignore a subpoena because we never want to see anybody get arrested needlessly. As with any video on this topic, I want to stress that domestic violence is a serious issue. No one should live in an abusive situation. So if you're in a situation where you do not feel safe, we've put links in the comments below of some places that may be able to help you out. So you're probably watching this video because you're trying to help. Maybe you feel guilty because you called the police on your spouse and your spouse was arrested or your partner was arrested, and you want to know how to clear it up. This is where an experienced criminal defense attorney comes into play. An experienced attorney can go meet with the state, help the state understand your story of what happened, and can prepare you to present your evidence in court if it goes that far. So if you would like to speak with an attorney about what you can do to drop the charges, give us a call for a no-cost consultation.